This is James Tower, and I'm the blacksmithing pastor, and today I want to talk to you about a blacksmithing challenge that I was in out at Ark Valley. This video is from the fourth of the challenges. I have some other things I need to do before I can make the other videos into what they need to be. It's kind of a long story, but in this challenge, we did the black box challenge. They had a box with armholes cut in it. And somebody made an item and they put it in that box. And no one got to see the item that we were trying to make. We only had 1 minute to reach into the box and feel the item. Then we had to forge from what we felt, what we were trying to make. And then you were judged on how well you did. For this particular challenge, we made a draw knife. I think that the piece that we had was a little bit longer, but this is a piece of 5/8 square bar. So this basically is what turned into this. This was inspired by a video by DF in the Shop. So Darren had won the challenge, and this was what he had picked out to do. This was one of the few items that when I reached into the box and felt the item in the box, I actually knew what it was. It's actually kind of a lot of metal to move. You know, a railroad spike is a fun challenge because it really, you have to know how the metal moves to be able to move that much metal successfully. But what you'll see is us with a 1-inch chisel punching the holes in the bar for these finger holes for the draw knife. I got the holes kind of stretched out close to where I want them. I haven't started off that nice part in the middle, but see how it goes. Hopefully I chose the right way to start because I feel like I'm way behind everybody else. All right, so I got 45 minutes left. A long way to go. Yeah, probably. You want the next 10 minutes? Oh, you don't need it. I need it, but I don't want it. I'm not going to turn it down. In the Blacksmith Challenge, there's a lot of adrenaline. There's a lot of, because of the competition, because of the uncertainties of feeling the item, there's just a lot of things about it that kind of get your blood going. You know, the clock gets in your head, and you just are in a hurry. And one of the things that I really need to learn and to think through is just the order of operations, because I can tell from the last few challenges that I've done that, you know, knowing what steps to do and then making sure that you do them in the right order can really make a difference sometimes. One of the difficulties, I guess, is that you're making a mental model in your mind and you're trying to make that model as accurate as possible. But when you know what the item is, then suddenly it's really easy for your mind to fill in the blanks. And you think about the proportions, how they should be, and not necessarily how the item in the box actually is laid out. And so that is part of the issue, I think, for why I didn't win the competition.
So far away from that. There's, I don't know, if we get into whatever, there's some papers in there for smoke cards or your box, whatever. That's a good one. That's a good one.
I think this game's really, James wins every other contest. Doing that through.
The guy that I saw, that I got the idea from, he has a YouTube channel called DF in the shop.
DF
Yeah,
in the shop.
and he made it out of railroad spikes.
Who's the winner?
James.
Awesome.
See? Oh, that's. I think this one's mine. I think I'm dead last.
I'm just,
Yeah.
Sure, eh?
I think you got her.
no.
Yep. Well, my legs are short.
Tell you what, that sucked, but that was a lot of mem- Well, it doesn't look that hard.
That's right. The difference between these two was the system on this one and on this one. And this one had stuff with brakes, cold shuts or something like that.
Well, I bet you if you drop mine on the ground, my legs breaks off. I got a gold shit in there because I thought I was too. I realized I had too much width on the blade, so I stepped it down. Yeah. And so then I had to step it down again, and it caused me a cold shut, and I could not bring that.
Yours does match the twenty pretty good though, Jay. Good job. Missed the roll like that.
I started on that
You seen
yesterday.
this thing yesterday?
I did. I started, my other piece is back there. And
I knew it. Knew it.
I took my medicine. The last couple times, I deliberately didn't take my muscle relaxer medicine before I came, but this time I did. And I was just like, man, my arm just, come on, let's go. So bad.
I'll take the muscle relaxer right now, by golly.
back, there's one right there.
But I had your something.
Any way you wanna turn it, it's
It was
perfect.
pretty good for 2 hours.
Just go play with it.
That's another hour.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah, I punched the holes first. I wasn't sure. Because I knew I was supposed to bring a chisel. I brought this kind of monstrous chisel. And like, I better punch the holes first so I figure out that part. But then after I punched the holes, I was having a hard time holding on to the piece.
I thought that was Doozer.
I stepped it down to start with just because I didn't want to punch
It
the.
was Dozer.
Yeah, I should have. Yeah, I should have done it. So, order of operations are really important. But at least I knew what it was. I'm just happy when I know what it is. Cool challenge, cool idea.
I think everybody did outstanding. I really think. Ask James, and everybody did a different thing, even tonight. We started in a completely different direction. James, the first thing he did, he started on his tools, and Curtis started flattening everything, and I did the step down. But they still all came together in the same amount of time. When I felt to that, it's just like every time you feel of it, walk over the alley, you thought, man, I need to go right back. And I had no idea, honestly, I had no idea where I was gonna start.
Thank you for letting me tell you a little bit about the story of this whole Blacksmith Challenge journey with me. And so if you would like the video, share the video with people that might actually like the video. If you would comment on the video, that's a free way you could support me. But for now, I just thank you for watching, and I hope that you would be blessed by what I'm trying to do. Take care, blessings on you, and I'll see you for the next one.